You got a couple minutes, gon' take a seat. Sit back, relax, take a drink with me. I'm trying out some drinks, I'll tell you what I think. The things you can expect when you watch and drink with Shank.
What up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Drink with Shank. Got the cousin Havok here with me today.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy to be here. Been a long time coming.
Yeah, it's been in the works for quite some time.
Yeah.
Tonight we're doing a blind taste test.
For the Budweisers. Alright, so today we have the Budweiser selection. We're starting off with the Budweiser Select. The original Budweiser, of course. And brand new, in States, Budweiser Spring. So we're gonna take a test of each one, see if we can get the flavors of each one.
Cool. So let's see how many we can get right.
Alright, so turn off first.
Say that's the Select.
Select? Yeah. I believe that's the Supreme one.
Alright.
I just recently tasted that one. I had enough from their taste to it, so I'm going with Supreme on that one.
Alright. What's the next one?
Cheers.
Say that's the regular Budweiser plastic.
I feel like this is the Select.
Say the same to me, guys. All of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did I say the first one was? Select?
Yeah.
And then Reggie. So I guess I'll go with the Supreme on this one. I'm sure I got them all wrong because they all do the same.
This one tastes very familiar. I'm gonna say this is the original Budweiser. Alright, I'm sticking to my answer. I don't know if you want to change yours.
Yeah, I'll stick to it. With it.
Ladies?
I got them all wrong.
For real?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna need a retake. Probably.
Cancel. Cut. Alright, guys, we got that wrong.
Every single one I'm wrong.
Let me give one more try.
We're gonna check the ABV. Alright, so this one's gonna be 4.3. For sure, this one's gonna be 5.0. 5 on the dot. And this one already got the man. Apparently. So this one's gonna be 4.6.
Alright.
Okay.
The classic is the strongest one.
Exactly.
Try it again.
Alright, so we're gonna retry.
Originally instead of the Select, of course that's wrong. I'll go with the original one of them.
I think I'm going with the original one. That was on this one, I'm gonna go with Supreme. On the second one.
So for a little bit of contradiction, I'll go with Select on there. And this will be my Supreme.
Yeah, I'm taking with Select.
So no, you got them all right. You got number one right.
With a score of 3-1, champion. Havok. Thank you guys for tuning in, and well, until next time, cheers.